Singles for Christ Cluster Coordinators, Brad Kenneth and Sister Juna Negrin. Youth for Christ Cluster Coordinators, Brad, Jude and Sister Lisa Alolor. Kids for Christ Cluster Coordinators, Brad Johnny and Sister Sally Nipangi. Couple Coordinators, Coordinators of Singles for Christ, Youth for Christ, Kids for Christ of Padrineo, Santa Fe and Bantayan chapters. Handmaids of the Lord, Coordinator Sister Reggie Minchavis. CFC, SFC, YFC, KFC, Hold and Soul members of Bantayan Island, Angkop Scholars. To all brothers and sisters in Christ, good morning. Welcome to the Angkop Global Walk 2025 with the theme, Come, Walk with Me. Our brothers and sisters, as one big family of Couples for Christ and its family ministries, we come here today to walk with Jesus and to walk with the scholars of Angkop. This is celebrated not only in Bantayan but throughout the world. That's why it is called Angkop Global Walk. Early this morning, we did the registration and afterwards we attended the Holy Mass. Now let's proceed to the opening program. To start the program, I call on the Angkop Sector Coordinator, Brad Ray Mira, for his opening remarks and to do the roll call of the different chapters and ministries. Let's give him a round of applause. Hello, good morning, brothers and sisters. Inigol ko na ko ang matawag mo ato na yun sa inyo ito Juan Badut kay siya mag-arrange sa atong Juan ang makuna ang bandara. Kining atong EGW sa among meeting sa Cebu nihangyo gyud mi nga og mahimo diri lang ta sa atua kay ug moapil ta sa Cebu dili mo kita katutanan. So nisugod yun sila ang Bantayan Island, ang Camotes ug ang dito tumoy sa South. In fact, ang Camotes murag mahaba na sila. Kita karon dungan kita sa Cebu. Nag-EGW po sila sa Plaza Independencia. So, kaya kanang kung atong i-plate dito, mas may pa i-register na lang din dako-dako pa tayo marinig sa ilan. So, magsugod na na kay init na. Ang makuna is ang banda. Pagpadayan, dalpulin din banda. Unya, kuman sa banda ang Angkop Scholars. Magtulay sa tahan. Angkop Scholars. Ang magsunod sa Angkop Scholars ang mga PIT. Two lines lang, 2 lines para tas-tas. Unya, sunod sa PIT ang Singles for Christ. Sunod sa Singles ang Kids for Christ with Tarp. Sunod sa Kids ang Youth for Christ. Then Handmaids of the Lord. Servants of the Lord.
Next is CFC Madridios chapter.
Lagi sila ni
Next sa Madridios is Santa Fe chapter. Then last ang Bantayan chapter. Daghang salamat.
Okay, thank you, Brother Ray. At this juncture, everybody is requested to be ready for the start of the Angkop Global Walk 2025 around the Bantayan Processional Route. I'm requesting Brad Jude Alolor, the Youth Cluster Coordinator, to take charge of the order of the parade. Brothers and sisters, let us now walk with Jesus and walk with the Angkop Scholars.
dito pa balon pa.
Diin.
Imong ta dito sa tubagan ka unta na kuan ka pagkatulog.
Makuha man to, kilid ra.
Ha?
Makuha.